Good God. Well, it's a good evening to have a great evening. It's a cool and chilly evening here at the Baha-mar resort, as you would see behind me. Yeah, we're headed into the sugar factory for dinner this evening with a few friends. This is my first time here. First vlog of the year. I am so excited. I don't even know what this sugar factory is all about, but I'm just excited to check it out. But if you're excited, please give this video a thumbs up. First time viewing, please give us a subscription. Welcome to the sugar factory in beautiful Nassau, Bahamas. Y'all remember her? Y'all remember Naya? Last time Naya vlogged, where were you, Naya? Where were we at?
Florida.
In Florida, doing what?
Having fun.
Having fun? Which theme parks we went to?
SeaWorld, Busch Gardens, and Aquarium.
That's it. So if you haven't checked out those videos, I'll make sure to leave a link in the corner. You had a good time? Yeah? And this is my next godson. What is your name? One thing I should mention, there is indoor seating and then there's outdoor bar seating that they have here at the sugar factory. So that's cool to see. Alright, I know it's a bit blurry, but this is my first time even looking at this menu, and everything seems so appealing. Everything seems appealing and nice. If I could get in focus, there we go. Like, they got a lot of stuff, pastas and desserts and milkshakes and some big entrees there. I'm excited.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Alright y'all, so one thing I'll say is I like the ambiance walking inside the sugar factory. This is my first time here, and I just love the overall ambience of it, you know, with the live music playing. Everyone seems so good, everyone seems so happy and excited. I love how they celebrate birthdays here as well, so that's very impressive to see. We just ordered a few appetizers, and now when the appetizers come, I'll show you that. So I just did the appetizers. I didn't get a chance to try the what them colorful burgers mean? The sliders. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to try the sliders, but everything so far is good. We're waiting for our main courses, our main entrees, and the goblets or goblins. I don't know the name. Goblin or goblet. One thing I will do as well is I will put the Sugar Factory's link in the description. So if you want to like see their menu, because I think you have to make reservations, and based on the reservations, you only allow 2 hours inside because of the high demand. So yeah, I'll put all that information in the bottom so you can check them out and see if you want to make a reservation if visiting the Bahamas, or if you live in the Bahamas for your birthday. Alright y'all, like I haven't seen me. About to try this goblet for the very first time. Look at me, I can't even see myself. Let me see.
One more.
Ooh. That's a virgin, right? Do you know?
All them virgin.
Cotton candy, right? This is nice.
All them virgin. I hope. What you say?
This is nice. Yeah. All right. So one thing I need to mention, I had this tropical punch goblet. This is the one I had, and that's everything inside. But like I said, you can get it leaded or unleaded, meaning alcohol or no alcohol. And you'll see that they have all the celebrities' photos on the side of the goblets because each of them were named after one, or I think they were designed by them. All right, y'all. So our food is here. I got my club sandwich with my fries. My club sandwich is here. I'm excited to try it out, y'all. All right, y'all. So this was our server tonight, Carol. She did an awesome job. I love the service, even though, because we ain't the best, y'all. She had a big group. Oh, I know. I think that's our manager there. Yeah, but she did an excellent job. So if you all come in the Sugar Factory, look for Carol. Tell her I said, y'all. So, I just got out of the Sugar Factory, and I must say that I really enjoyed. I wouldn't say that the food was really all of that impressive, but it was good. It was bearable to eat. Chrissy didn't like the food. She did not like the food at all. She said she's not better, but I'll give it a pass. One thing I loved was the atmosphere. The staff was so engaging. They were very excited and enthusiastic. I loved the energy and the vibes that I was feeling from them. That was really the highlight. I love the energy, the birthday greetings, but overall it was a good time. I wouldn't lie to you, I had a great and awesome time. If you're living here in the Bahamas, staying at the Baha-mar resort, or just visiting the Bahamas, I would highly recommend the Sugar Factory to you. And you can see, like I told you guys, look like a lot of celebrities come to the Sugar Factory. You have Snooki off of Jersey Shore. Who else I know? That is Drake. You have Pauly D of Jersey Shore. Mario Lopez. Let me see if I see anyone else here who I know. I mean, you have so much celebrities. Kanye West. Man, you have them all. I think I saw one with Nicki Minaj, Mariah Carey, 50 Cent. So this is a very prominent thing. And for my first time, I must say, I really enjoyed this. Like, I've never seen so much candy in a while. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's a bit of their menu there if you want to see what all they have to offer with the prices. I really ate too much tonight, and so I don't have a sweet mouth for anything right now. But I gotta come back and try these out, man. But the prices doesn't seem too bad. Gotta check it out. Well, it's about that time, y'all. I gotta cover my head because it's a bit chilly out here. We're been having a bit of cold weather lately here in Nassau. I just want to say I had an awesome time tonight. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please, if you did, be sure to leave us a thumbs up. First time, give us a subscription. You know, be sure to subscribe, or maybe let me know if you visit the Sugar Factory, what your experience was like. But that will be all for us here. I just want to do this quick vlog of the Sugar Factory, my experience there. Overall good time here at the Bahamar resort. With that being said, always remember that all things are possible when you believe. So we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.